What if you could completely transform your financial life in just 30 days? Not with some magic formula or get-rich-quick scheme, but with a structured, day-by-day challenge that rewires your relationship with money from the ground up. Over the next 12 minutes, I'm going to give you a 30-day wealth challenge that has helped thousands of people save more, earn more, and think differently about money. And if you actually follow through, you'll be in a fundamentally different financial position by the end of this month. Here's why most people fail at improving their finances. They try to change everything at once. They go from zero financial discipline to budgeting every penny, cutting all expenses, and investing everything simultaneously. That's like trying to run a marathon when you've never jogged around the block. You burn out in a week. This challenge is different. Each day builds on the previous one. The first week focuses on awareness. The second week focuses on cutting. The third week focuses on earning. And the fourth week focuses on growing. By the end of 30 days, you'll have built sustainable financial habits that compound over months and years. Let me walk you through each week. Week 1. Financial awareness. Day 1. Track every dollar you spent in the last 30 days. Go through your bank statements and credit card statements. Write down every single transaction. Most people have never done this. The shock of seeing where your money actually goes is the first step to change. Day 2. Calculate your net worth. Add up everything you own, savings, investments, property value. Then subtract everything you owe, credit cards, loans, mortgage. The number might be negative. That's okay. This is your starting point. Day 3. Identify your 3 biggest money leaks. Looking at your spending from day 1, find the 3 categories where you spend the most on things that don't bring you real value. For most people, this is dining out, subscriptions, and impulse purchases. Day 4. Calculate your hourly rate. Take your monthly income and divide by the hours you work. Then before every purchase, ask yourself, is this item worth X hours of my life? A $50 impulse purchase might cost you 3 hours of work. Is it worth it? Day 5. Write down your financial freedom number. Calculate how much passive income you need per month to cover your expenses. Then calculate the investment portfolio needed to generate that income. This is your long-term target. Day 6. Set up a simple budget. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt payoff. This doesn't need to be perfect. Just get the framework in place. Day 7. Review and reflect. Look at everything you've learned this week. Write down 3 insights that surprised you. You now have more financial awareness than 90% of people. Week 2. Cut and optimize. Day 8. Cancel every subscription you haven't used in the last 2 weeks. Go through your bank statement and eliminate every recurring charge that isn't actively improving your life. For most people, this saves $50 to $200 per month. Day 9. Call your internet, phone, and insurance providers and negotiate lower rates. Be prepared to mention competitors' prices. Most companies have retention departments with authority to offer discounts. Average savings of $30 to $50 per provider per month. Day 10. Implement the 24-hour rule. For the rest of this challenge and beyond, wait 24 hours before any non-essential purchase over $25. This eliminates most impulse buying and saves thousands per year. Day 11. Plan your meals for the week and go grocery shopping with a list. Meal planning cuts food spending by 20 to 40%. No more daily takeout or spontaneous restaurant visits. Day 12. Do a closet and house audit. Find items you don't use that you can sell online. Most people have hundreds or even thousands of dollars worth of unused items sitting in closets and garages. Day 13. Switch to cash for discretionary spending. Research shows people spend 12 to 18% less when using cash versus cards. Withdraw your weekly fund money in cash, and when it's gone, it's gone. Day 14. Review your progress. Calculate how much you've saved or recouped so far. The total often surprises people. You're halfway through and you're already ahead. Week 3. Earn more. Day 15. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile. Even if you're not job hunting, an optimized profile attracts recruiters and opportunities. Most people haven't updated theirs in years. Day 16. Identify one skill you can monetize. What do you know that others don't? What can you do that others can't? Writing, design, coding, tutoring, organizing, cooking. Everyone has a marketable skill. Day 17. Create your first offer. Turn that skill into a service with a clear price. Start simple. Don't overthink it. A dog walker charges $25 per walk. A freelance writer charges 5 cents per word. A virtual assistant charges $20 per hour. Day 18. Find your first client or sale. Post on social media, join Facebook groups, list on Fiverr or Upwork, tell friends and family. The goal is just one paying customer. That first dollar of side income changes everything psychologically. Day 19. Negotiate a raise or plan your next career move. If you've been at your job for over a year without a raise, document your contributions and schedule a meeting with your manager. If your company won't invest in you, start exploring companies that will. Day 20. Create a system to convert free time into income. Map out your weekly schedule. Identify dead hours, evenings, and weekends you spend on low-value activities. Commit to spending at least 5 hours per week on your side hustle. Day 21. Review and calculate. Add up any new income generated this week. Even $50 is progress. The goal isn't to get rich this week. It's to prove to yourself that you can earn outside of your job. Week 4. Grow and automate. Day 22. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one. Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. It takes 10 minutes and $0. Don't invest yet. Just open it. Removing the friction of account setup is crucial. Day 23. Set up automatic transfers. On your payday, automatically move 20% of your income to savings and investments. If 20% is too much right now, start with 10, even 5%. The amount matters less than the automation. Day 24. Make your first investment, even if it's just $10. Buy shares of a total stock market index fund. You are now an investor. This identity shift is worth more than the money itself. Day 25. Set up a debt payoff plan. If you have consumer debt, list all balances and interest rates. Set up automatic payments above the minimum on your highest interest debt. Attack it aggressively. Day 26. Read or listen to one chapter of a wealth-building book. The Psychology of Money, The Simple Path to Wealth, or I Will Teach You to Be Rich are excellent starting points. Commit to finishing one financial book per month going forward. Day 27. Find an accountability partner. Share your financial goals with someone you trust. Research shows people who have accountability partners are 65% more likely to achieve their goals. Day 28. Create your one-page financial plan. Write down your net worth, your freedom number, your monthly savings target, and your investment strategy. One page. Keep it simple. Day 29. Automate everything. Your savings, your investments, your bill payments, your debt payoff. The fewer financial decisions you need to make manually, the more consistently you'll execute. Day 30. Reflect and recommit. Write down everything that changed this month. Your awareness, your spending, your income, your investments. Calculate your total financial improvement and commit to continuing these habits for the next 30 days and the next and the next. 30 days. For weeks. Week 1 built your awareness. Week 2 cut the waste. Week 3 boosted your income. Week 4 set up your growth engine. If you followed every step, you've probably saved or earned an extra $500 to $2,000 this month. More importantly, you've built the habits and systems that will compound for the rest of your life. This isn't the end of your wealth journey. It's the beginning. The real magic happens in months 2, 3, and 12. When compound interest starts working, when your side income grows, when your investments accumulate, when your financial confidence becomes unshakable. The 30-day challenge is just the spark. Your discipline is the fuel, and time is the accelerator. If you're ready to take the 30-day challenge, Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single video from the Wealth Code. Comment below with day 1 to publicly commit to starting tomorrow. Share this with someone who needs a financial reset. And I'll see you in the next one.